Hakajan miet khat sau terik jemang lepli ya kelumpung kring Thei Briew hakadur kadar kabor jabieng bat hau do not badap pura da kajing lem para Briew najela Meghalaya ha hotel Courtyard Marriott Shillong. Hakani kelumpung kring Thei Briew bela ai kerteng Miss Grand India Meghalaya lawan penpuk penpieng dau Amjad Khan, Operations and Marketing Director Glamanant Entertainment Private Limited, ka Sofia Singh bat ka Arshina Sumbul. Kakong Wanda Nongbri, Director of Miss Grand India Meghalaya, kalabatai kijenat jong kelumpung Yakob Thei Briew, ha kaba kinong bishar kinom pet tang ya kadur kadar, Henry kin tuat ru ya Khubor perkhat, bat kin ngam syaki klong senam, do not bat mensim jing lem para Briew ha ki lang salang. Kalau ong ru bakalumpung Yakob kan long ru karensan ban peni perthei ya ka jinglong Bakynsai jong kadur kadar kajabing bat kadok nut jong ki kenthei. Ki kenthei ki don kabor ban wanra ya ka jingkala she ki kenjang ki basajrong ha ka baha kamiat ukhun ban Briew shisni ka perthei kala ong.
You saw this one coming, but we have somebody very special that needs to be invited on the stage to get crowned, to do something that we all want to do, and that is represent India internationally. So,
all for joining us today as we celebrate the unveiling of Miss Grand India Meghalaya 2024. Your presence here means the world to me, and I am deeply touched by your support. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the opportunity to serve as the State Director of this prestigious pageant. It's truly an honor, and I am incredibly grateful for the trust and confidence placed in me. I'm also grateful for the support and guidance of three special individuals, Mr. S. Marwin, Mr. Rishan Paryan, and my dear husband Liam. Your encouragement and belief in me have been invaluable, and I am truly thankful for your presence in my life. You will make this journey worthwhile and ensure that your faith in me as the State Director is justified. Let's create a pageant that embodies the spirit of Meghalaya and empower our young women to shine bright. I'm also immensely thankful to Mr. Amjad, Ms. Sofia Singh and Arshina Sumbul for gracing us with their presence at this conference. Your participation adds immense value to our event, and I'm grateful for your support. Thank you all once again for being here and for your unwavering support. Let's embark on this journey together and make it a memorable and impactful one. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Invitation of Pacific India 2024. I'm extremely honored to sit over here at this beautiful city, Shillong, and I'm loving it. I love the people, the weather, and everything over here. This is going to be my favorite city from the Northeast. I'm just going to tell you this. Also, Miss Grand, the title which we are representing over here from the Glamanant. Miss Grand was the first fashion which I have been associated with, and I was crowned as Miss Tourism. Also, the whole team has another really nice to me. They have recruited my title as Miss Asia Pacific. As you can say that Glamanant Group is one of the best companies which you can associate yourself for the pageantries. We have lots of international and national pageants over here. Miss Grand, Miss Universe, and international pageants such as Asia Pacific, of course, Miss Grand, Miss Universe, still on. So I would like to say that may the best girl from over here should win, and I am extremely looking forward for it. Thank you so much.
My name is Arshana Sobal and I am the current Miss Grand India 2023. So being associated with Miss Grand Meghalaya now is an honor for all of us. This is my first time in Shillong, and as Sophia said that we are loving the city. And you know, when we talk about loving something, it's not just about the beauty of it or just the weather. The people here are so nice, they are so hospitable. Vanda, you are so nice to us, and we are so glad to be a part of today's event, Miss Grand Meghalaya 2024. So coming to the pageant, which is the Miss Grand International pageant, I can assure you it is one of the most amazing pageants in the world. The production, everything about it, it's just so fun. You can be yourself. It's not just about being a pageant girl, it's more about being yourself. Be comfortable in your own skin, and I can assure that whoever comes to audition for Miss